All right, y'all, me and Ray gonna do some grilling now. We worked hard all day, and we got a little treat for Ray. So I'm gonna get into our garden box here and get us one of these clean barbecue grate doodads. Get us a couple of them, because I hate cleaning the grill. This saves it. All right. Yeah, these are pretty cool things, man. I get them at Home Depot. Yeah, those are neat. Disposable aluminum grill liner. Clean barbecue. Ends time consuming grilling cleaning. That's got me written all over it, guys. But anyway, I'm getting ready to get a wicked new grill. It's a grill smoker combination. Okay, y'all, we got our little clean grill doodads, whatever you call them, on there. We'll fire up the gas. Alright, we'll let her run there, get her good and toasty. Right, boy? Okay, y'all, Ray done helped me out today, and I figured we might as well feed him real good. And we got us some nice pretty ribeyes Mom went out and got, and we got some Johnsonville cheddar brats. So as soon as we yeah, doesn't that look good? So as soon as we get this grill good and toasty, we're gonna throw those puppies on there. We're gonna put that feed bag on good tonight. All right, y'all, I think we're heated up good enough. We're gonna let these kiss the flame. Woohoo! Oh, mon ami. Ooh, we got 4 of them. Me and Ray gonna flip one. I'll take this in and wash it off real good. Oh, ain't that pretty? I did wash my hands, guys. Freaking hot. Yowza. Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Uh-oh. Damn, it's hot. I don't want to touch it with the steak stuff. All right. Okay. Gonna wash it for me. All right, buddy. And that was hot. Yeah, baby. Okay. I don't see one. Oh well. Yep. That's alright. We'll make it work. Nope. Oh, cool. Like real new order. I mean, uh-oh, got a little flamage. Little flamage. There we go. Yep. That's their what do they call it? Flame broiled. We're taking it up a notch, guys. Next level unknown. All right, y'all. They start to look good now. Oh yeah, next level. There you go, Ray. Let Ray get in this video. Good. This is gonna be good, Fritz. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, no problem, brother. I appreciate everything you did for me. having a good old time. More to come. More to come. We're gonna have some. Y'all are gonna be really tripping tomorrow. We're gonna have a real good time tomorrow. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. I think we're done. Brats look good. The Johnsonville cheddar brats and the ribeyes are scrumptious looking. All right, y'all. Let's get everything in the house. Oh, we're getting ready to get our grub on. Just wanted to share it with y'all, if y'all don't mind. But we got our ribeyes. We got some of this Oriental salad Mom makes. Big old steak baked potatoes. Some nice yeast rolls. Some cauliflower. Some brats, cheddar brats, and some cream corn. And we're getting ready to get the grub on. I appreciate y'all watching all our videos, and we're going to go out and do a few more things tomorrow if y'all want to come back and check us out. Alright, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.